Hi there, I'm Kerry from Awake Alive Empowerment. Checking my air pressure today, and the reason why I'm doing that because back in the tire business, I've been doing that for 35 years. What happens is you lose your air pressure in your tires about 2 to 3 pounds a month. And so what goes on there is that eventually people that don't check their air pressure come in with their TPMS light on in their vehicle, their air pressure light saying, you know, I got a low tire. We check it out, there's nothing wrong with the tire, they're just low on air. And it's kind of like life. Now that I'm doing personal development, about 3% of the people in the world actually do personal development work, which is really sad because it's just like our tires. The air pressure goes down while in life we go down. We kind of, life beats us up, but we never take care of ourselves. We never kind of do anything about our hurts and pains and things that are happening in our lives. So what happens? We never have any healing. And eventually what happens is that we lose out. So especially men, I'm addressing you today because I got some men's groups starting in February. Really love to see you guys come out. Get past your fears, get past your pride, get past what is ever holding you back from maybe checking your pressure out. You see where you're at least, because you've got to be a little deflated. And this is your time to get your tires pumped up. So come out and see me. Email me or PM me, and we'll get this thing going. It starts February 5th, and there's one on the 7th, and there's one on the weekend on the 8th. So hopefully see you then. Bye for now.